I'm going to show you how you can create AI images that actually have a transparent background. It's free and it's super quick. If you've ever tried to create an image with a transparent background with AI, you probably will have realized that no AI image generator can do this. But there's one really simple trick that you can do in order to create these images. Let me show it to you. So if we go over here, we are in Google AI Studio and just create an image. And I've got this headshot of a man in a park. And I say, remove the background from this and make the background transparent for me. I'm just using Whisper Flow to transcribe that. Send that over. And what we're probably going to see is we're going to see like that black and white checkerboard background, which I'm not sure what the name of it is, but there we go. That's what it is. And this is not actually transparent. This is just, you know, what it thinks is transparent, what it thinks we want. You can see here, like it's not even correct. And if we downloaded this, you would still see this checkerboard pattern behind, which obviously is wrong. So all that we have to do is we have to say, replace the background with a flat green color. So what we're doing here is basically the same thing that happens when we use a green screen. We just want contrast between the subject and the background. And there we go. I think that's going to work. The green's not super vibrant, but there we go. I'm going to download this image. Of course, this worked with any image, not only people. So now what we want to do is go over to Google Gemini. We want to go on to Tools and we want to go Canvas. And we can really simply create a tool which removes the background. So we're going to say, create a tool for me where I can upload an image and then the background is removed from that image and I can download the PNG without a background. Not very well explained, but let's see if it gets that. So you can see now it's writing all of the code, and this takes maybe like a minute or so to write all this code, and it's going to give us a tool which we can upload that image which we just created. It's going to remove the background and we're going to have a truly transparent background. Let's give it a second and let's see that. Okay, it's done. So what I can do is click here and select that file that we generated. Click on remove background, give it a second. And hopefully, if that green is apparent enough and there's enough of a contrast, it's going to give us our image without a background. We can download this PNG, and you can see here, it is actually a PNG. And if we open this up, it does not have a background. We can use this for whatever we want. We can take it and put it into Canva or Photoshop or however we want to use this image without a background. This is super quick and easy, free to use, and very, very useful if you want to create any images with AI where you want a transparent background. As you've seen in this video, knowing which AI tools to use is super important, which is why I've created a comprehensive list of over 100 AI tools which are helping businesses right now. If you want access to it, I'll leave a link down in the description. It's absolutely free. I add to it all the time as well, so it's always kept up to date. Anyway, that's it from me. I hope you found this useful. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.